Hey guys, this is a follow-up video to my previous one, which I will link in the description. I will also put it up here in the cards. Okay, so I had some issues with the Insta360 1X2. It had some water damage and stuff like that, so I actually asked Insta360 about this problem. So they have actually sent me a replacement camera. Okay, so this is the replacement camera, and they said that there's also a surprise inside. So let's just check it out. What is inside the box? Okay. Aha. Nice packaging, and that's the camera. Nice. So it comes in this little bubble wrap with another big bubble wrap, so it is safe. Let me just take it out. There you go. So it is a brand new replacement camera. Nice. So let me just keep it aside. Before I do, let me just look for my case. So there you go, that's the original case that came with the one that I bought first. So let me just keep it here. And let's just keep these other stuff down here. And this is the surprise. Ah, it's a dive case. Cool. Okay, so let's just keep this box. There's nothing else. Oh, nice. So we'll do the unboxing of this one later in the next video. I'm just gonna keep that aside, and let's just open up the camera's plastic. All right, one. The other one, it actually came with the lens protecting cover. So for this camera, I'm actually doing two unboxing. Okay, so there it is. Perfect. And we have the battery pack. Okay, of course, no SD card, which I will have to insert myself. Okay, good. So I'm just gonna put it back here. All right, so now let's charge the camera, and I'll be back. So the camera works great again, and all the footages that you just saw are from my recent trip to Salalah. Now I have to give a big thumbs up to Insta360's excellent customer service. The point is, they sent me this replacement product even before picking up the old unit from me. So that's how much trust that they have on the customers. And this is a trust that every customers expect from the manufacturers. And I hope that other companies would do the same. And I'm really impressed with the customer service from Insta360, and I definitely recommend this company for anyone. Now, according to their DHL's delivery date, it is supposed to come after my trip. So actually I went on and bought a GoPro just to make sure that if this camera doesn't reach me on time, I will have another one for the trip. So that's the unboxing that's gonna come next. So stay tuned. Have a nice day, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.